Welcome back to Sudden Urge Kitchen by Enthusiastically. This week we've got a little meal prep situation for you. I'm taking 1 pound of ground chicken and preparing it 2 different ways to give us a couple of easy options for the week. I divided the chicken in half and used the first half to make a simple chicken breakfast sausage. For the seasoning, I added a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a scant 1/4 teaspoon of ground sage, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme, a little less than half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. I mixed everything together and formed the chicken into patties. Then I baked the patties at 400 degrees until the center reached 165 degrees. It took about 10 to 14 minutes, depending on the thickness. I also placed them under the broiler briefly at the end to give them a little more color. If you enjoy easy recipes and practical meal prep ideas like this one, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Enthusiastically for more. Now for the second half of the chicken. I heated about a tablespoon of high smoke point oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil was hot, I added the remaining ground chicken, seasoned it with a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, and cooked it while breaking it into crumbles. And there you have it, 1 pound of ground chicken, prepared 2 different ways and ready to use throughout the week. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me. When the craving hits, we make it happen.